Hello, and congratulations on adding your account to SocialDrift. I just wanted to create a short video tutorial to help you in setting up your account to start. From the dashboard, you are going to just click on the account settings button. Within your account settings is where you will choose your activity types. These are the activities that the platform will perform on your behalf. You are also able to set your general settings, which is your activity speed. We recommend starting on slow for at least 5 to 7 days to slowly increase your rate limits. You're also able to choose your media type. If you only want the platform to interact with photos, videos, or albums, you can choose that media type here, as well as avoiding sensitive content. This will avoid any content that was deemed sensitive by Instagram. Below general settings is your filter settings. You can choose the minimum likes. This will indicate the minimum amount of likes that a piece of media would have to have before our platform would interact with it. Also, maximum likes. Again, it's the maximum likes that any media would have before the platform would stop interacting with it. Max media age is the age of the media that the platform is interacting. You can choose from any all the way up to 1 month old media. Profile quality filter by default is set to on. Target gender is a premium only feature, but you can target gender if you upgrade to a premium account. Ignoring users will filter out any of your current followers or followings, and you would be able to not have our platform interact with your current followers or followings. Below that is where you will add your username targeting. You can just click here and add a username. And it'll search for that user. You'll see all of the different ones that may be who you're searching for, and you can just add the user that you want for username targeting. This will target the followers of that Instagram user specifically. Hashtag targeting is also available, where you can search for specific hashtags and select the hashtag that you want to target. Place targeting is also available, where you can add a place and it will target anybody who has used that specific place on any of their posts and media. And then below that is also comments. And you can just add as many comments as you want. In regards to targeting, we only recommend 10 to 15 as optimal targets in all, so you can cycle through those once you can find out what is working. Once you've added your targets here, you're able to choose the activity. If you only want the platform to perform likes, you would only turn on likes. If you want it to perform everything, you can turn on all of the actions that it will perform. And then you'll just click Start Activity. It will show as running, and you can then click on View Your Account, and it will be able to show you all the live activity feed that is happening at that moment. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. You can also find some really useful articles on getting started under the frequently asked questions: getting started targets, getting started filter settings, and getting started activity speed. I hope this was helpful. Have a lovely day.